Guys, today, remember in 2 minutes ago I made exposing Loud Blossom, but now I'm exposing Stokes twins. Let's see, what can I do? One day I think somebody's gonna expose me, but I never. Okay, let's see the Stokes twins. Wait, what? 74.6 million subscribers? Bro, okay, let's see. First, these guys knew why I did it. They make kids content that kids love. Copies contents. Mostly Mr. Beast, I think. First, wait, what? I've seen this video. Trying bad 100. What the heck? He copied it. Okay, but what last was screen with 50,000 subscribers. But did he actually produce 7 in the video? No. And I seen this video, I think, and never happened. Why? Okay. But guys, facing 200 viewers, what 400 this? How is that a dish? Bro. How are they even allowed on YouTube? I seen the video. How are these even allowed? Oh my gosh. How are they even allowed? YouTube should see these videos and ban it. They should ban that stupid Stokes twins. Ban Stokes twins. And you see his bunch of like he hired teachers. I survived the worst stickers and copied and hired teachers and students to make this. You know, he isn't allowed. One of our videos, he did something so. My gosh, the video. And why and always they're in the pool. They're always on the pool. Ordeal. Like in one of the videos, they say eating one kind of food and they're under the pool. What's wrong with that? Guys, please stop watching videos. I don't have I'm not making a lot of times. I'm very fun editing in like those videos. Yep. And that's